What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Buddy Love, man. I'm out here about to go ahead and do my intro to welcome my Suzuki to the new family, man. To the family. About to go get some gas right quick. I don't know how the hell that car just pulled all the way out like that. He's tripping. I'm smoking dope or something. I don't know which one is which. Definitely need some gas though. Alright. So yeah, man. That's all she wrote. This is my brand new Suzuki GSX650f. I bought it from Wow in Marietta, Georgia. And I'm gonna do a lot of motor vlogging, so you guys stay tuned. Keep it clean. And stay out of trouble. It's a good day to ride, man. I'm gonna tell you that.